Yo, what's up guys? This is Aphix and let's discuss Mern. So what is Mern? Mern is a stack which is basically a listing of all the coding frameworks used for an app or a workflow. It stands for Mongo, Express, React, and Next. And you might have heard of the LAMP stack, and that uses Linux, Apache, the M is MySQL, and the P is PHP. And Mongo, in this case, is the NoSQL database. Express is a web HTTP framework for Node.js, which is JavaScript. And React and Next are front-end frameworks. React allows the users to split their front end into multiple components, which provides a much more straightforward workflow. You're not going to have issues where you have to replicate code several times, which is just really amazing. And you can kind of just add some nice JavaScript functionality into your code really easily with React. And Next.js helps with the routing and also does more than that. If you are interested, you can check out this Next.js webpage, nextjs.org. Now, combined, these two softwares are basically the basis of modern front-end development. So basically, like any stack that you're going to use today, you're probably going to have the R and the N in it because React and Next are just very powerful for front ends. Now there is Express.js, and I believe it's here. So Express.js is a really easy kind of HTTP framework for JavaScript, Node.js, and it's just really easy to set up servers and middleware from there. So if you've used Golang, it's like Gin. Now there's the N. Now there's the M, and that's MongoDB, which is just a NoSQL database, meaning that it uses key value pairs. So when is it good to use Mern? The E in Mern is good for small applications, E being Express, and it is good for small applications that require fast development, but scaling is less of a problem. So Express makes it a little harder to scale your application because it's JavaScript. Which is also kind of harder to make use of those threads effectively and concurrency, especially compared to Golang. Golang takes some higher level knowledge and it's a little harder to learn, but it's a much better choice than JavaScript in most cases. For MongoDB, you can replace the database with a SQL database or a different NoSQL database like AWS DynamoDB. SQL is more pricey than NoSQL and it's harder to set up, so I say NoSQL is really a better choice than SQL in general. NoSQL also has faster querying, like the more you scale up compared to SQL, so it's better for scaling. React and Next.js, once again, are basically unavoidable. They are just perfect frameworks for front ends, and they're constantly improving, and so many companies use them because of their reliability. So then overall, Mern is a really powerful stack that only lacks a little bit of scaling power. But then again, you can get that scaling power from Golang and using something like Gin with Golang. And then you'd be effectively turning Mern into MGRN, which is unpronounceable. So that's it. I just want to give you a quick explanation of Mern and why I really suggest it. Most cases, once again, MGRN is really the way to go, but Mern is almost equally effective, quicker to set up, easier to understand. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you got something out of it. If you are interested in these videos, please subscribe. If you liked the video, then please leave a like. If you have any questions or you want to hang out, join the Discord server down below.